was doing better lately, sleeping through the night, getting used to quiet, learning how to feel alright. I deleted all your pictures, stopped checking who you're with. I even laughed last Friday, didn't think of what I missed. I was walking through the wreckage with both hands finally free, but then your name lit up my screen and it knocked the air from me. You said, hey, I've been thinking like no time's passed at all, but don't you know the cost of learning how not to fall? I almost moved on, I was right there at the door, had my heart back in my chest, not on your bedroom floor. But here you are again, with those eyes that still disarm. And now I'm stuck remembering how it felt inside your arms. I almost moved on, but here you are. Said you've been lost without me, and I swear you look sincere. But where was that when I was breaking all alone last year? Now I've built something from the ashes that you left behind, and here you come like you deserve what I barely survived. And part of me still wants it, that soft return to pain, but I don't know if I can do the losing all again. I almost moved on, I was finally feeling light, had my future in my hands, not held hostage every night. But now you've cracked the silence, and I don't know what is true. I almost moved on, but not from you. It's cruel how timing works, how ghosts return in skin. When you've stitched your heart together, they find a way back in. So I'll breathe and I'll decide if I'll open up this scar. I almost moved